Hello, good morning, namaskar. Today I am going to discuss about explanation of rubric imagination part 2 in continuation of explanation of rubric from Boric repertory mind chapter. Imagination being doomed lost to salvation, aconite, arsenic, aurum, cyclamen, lachesis, lilium tig, lyco, millefolium, etc. Next rubric is being double or dual personality. Anacardium baptisia, cannabis indica, petroleum, stramonium, thuja, valeriana. Being enveloped in dark cloud, world black and sinister. Argentum nitricum, semicifuga, lacuninum pulsatile. Next sub-rubric is being frightened by a mouse running from under a chair. Ethuja semicifuga lacuninum. Being guilty of some committed crimes. Arsenic, Sina, cyclamen, ignacia, Nux vomica ruta, Staphylococcus, Veratrum album, Zincum metallicum. Being hollow in organs. Cocculus oxytril. Being in a strange surrounding. Cicuta Hyoscyamus platina tuberculina. Being light, a spirit like hovering in the air. Being made of glass, wood, etc. Being occupied about business, Brainia opium. Being persecuted by his enemies, Anacardium, Cinchona, cocaine, Hyoscyamus, Calibrum, lachesis, Nux vomica, Plumbum metallicum, Rustux, stramonium. Being poisoned, Hyoscyamus, lachesis, Rustux, Veratrum virid. Being possessed of two wheels, Anacardium lachesis. Being possessed of brain in stomach, aconite. Being possessed of two nose, Merck picreta. Being pregnant or something alive in the abdomen, Crocus sativa, cyclamen, opium, sabadilla, sulfur, thuja, veratrum album. Being pursued, Anacardium, Hyoscyamus, stramonium. Being separated body and soul, Anacardium, nitric acid, thuja. Being swollen, aconite, Irania, Argentum nitricum, Essa foetida. Baptisia, bovista, cannabis indica, gulonine, opium, platina. Being under superhuman control, Anacardium, lachesis, opium, platina, thuja. Being very sick, arsenic, podophyllum, sabadilla. Being very wealthy, phosphorus, platina, pyrogen, sulfur, veratrum album. Dimension of things larger. Aconite, Agaricus, Argentum nitricum, atropine. Being bovista, cannabis indica, gelsemium, gulonine, Hyoscyamus, opium, perisquadrifolia. Dimension of things reversed, camphor. Dimension of thing smaller, platina. Duration of time and space lost or confused. Cannabis indica, cicuta, gulonine, lachesis. Duration of time changed, it passes too rapidly. Cocculus indicus, threadio. Duration of time changed, it passes too slowly. Illumina, ambragracia, enhelium, Argentum nitricum, cannabis indica, Nux mosquita, Nux vomica. Imagination including hallucination. For hallucination, remedy in general, absinthium, Agaricus ambragricea anacardium, antipyrum arsenic, atropium, belladonna, cannabis indica, cantheris, chamomilla, chloral, cocaine, crotellus, hyoscyamus, calibrom, lachesis, natrum salicylate, nux vomica, opium, phosphorus, stramonium, sulfur, thea, triode, zinc muriaticum. Hallucination auditory, including bells, music, voices. Agaricus anacardium, antipyrinum, arsenic, belladonna, cannabis indica, carbonium sulf, chamomilla, cocaine, elapse, myrrh, naja, natrum phos, pulsatilla, stramonium, thea. You see in this diagram auditory hallucination, olfactory hallucination related to olfaction, Agnus anacardium, arsenic, opium, Peris quadrifolia, pulsatilla, zincum muriaticum. Hallucination tactile, anacardium, cantheris, opium, stramonium. Hallucination visual, including animal, bugs, faces, etc. You see hallucination tactile, hallucination visual, animal, bugs, faces. So in this way I try to conclude the rubric imagination including hallucination. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.